This video is very good for year 6's transitioning into year 7. It is also good for year 7s who want to reflect on the science they've done in their first year of secondary school. Today we're going to look at states of matter. There are 3 states of matter. What are they? Pause the video and think about this. Well done. Solids, liquids, and gases. Now, I want you to think about examples of solids, examples of liquids, and examples of gases. You can pause the video. I came up with a pot as an example of a solid. I came up with water as an example of a liquid. And I came up with smoke as an example of a gas. Now, as you go into year 7, we want you to understand the chemistry or the physics behind the 3 states of matter. How are the particles arranged in a solid? How are the particles arranged in a liquid? How are the particles arranged in a gas? Pause the video and draw these particles. In a solid, the particles are very close together. They are very close together. You can see they are very close together, that they are touching on the sides, and they vibrate in a fixed position. In a liquid, the particles are still very close together, but not as in solids, so they can swap positions. In gases, the particles are very far away from each other. Now, I want you to pause the video and take the notes below. Now, we want you to think about a few properties of these 3 states of matter. For example, in a solid, do you think solids flow? If I had a cup, does it flow? In the case of the solid, the answer is no. Does this object, can it be compressed? The answer is no. I want you to pause the video and think about these properties for liquids and gases and solids as well. I'll give you some time to do that. Okay, can the object fill a container in the solids? Is no. Does this object have a fixed shape? For solids, it's yes. Does this object have a fixed volume? For solids, is yes. Liquids and gases, I'll give you the answers that you were expected to have. Thank you very much. This gives you an idea on states of matter, solids, liquids, and gases.